महामहिम राज्यपाल महोदय सबाई के अनुरोध अतिथि
अभी अपने रतनमणि सेवा सदन के संपादक श्री सुदीप चक्रवर्ती महोदय हमारे महामहिम राज्यपाल महोदय को अंगवस्त्र से सम्मानित कर रहे हैं कि अपने इस कार्यक्रम में पूज्य श्री चंचला प्रभु जी को सम्मानित करने के अनुरोध करते हैं। अपने के करताली बंद नहीं होनी चाहिए।
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। It is a matter of profound honor for me to stand here today in the beautiful region of Kanchanpur, North Hastepha district, to be part of the unveiling of the plaque for the new building of Mahan Bharat Pratibha Vidyalaya is not a merely ceremonial duty, it is a moment of genuine hope. Education is not just about brick and mortar, but today these bricks become the fastest of knowledge, and this mortar blinds the promise of a better tomorrow. I congratulate the Great India Talent School and the entire team behind this visionary project. What strikes me most about this institution is its name, Mahan Bharat Pratibha Vidyalaya, the School of the Talent of Great India. In this name lies a mission. We are not just creating students, we are nurturing Pratibha, which means talent, and that talent must serve two purposes: personal growth and national upliftment. In an area where we often speak of skill development and artificial intelligence, we must not forget the ancient soul of India. It is heartening to see that this school, guided by the global vision of the Hare Krishna movement and supported by community leaders like Sri Kamal Krishna Nath ji and Jugendra Rehan ji, stands at the crossroads of modernity and tradition, ensuring that while our children learn science and mathematics, they never lose touch with the values that have made this nation great for thousands of years. I want to acknowledge the presence of Sri Rampal Jamataya ji, the Honorable Speaker. Sri Raghavji is not here. He sent his blessings I know him personally, and your organization relentless work in the field of cultural education and rural development is well known. And your presence reminds us that national character is built in the classroom. To the spiritual leaders of the Hare Krishna movement, Sri Kanchanpur Dasaji and Janardana Dasaji, I have seen the remarkable work of ISKCON does globally, feeding millions, instilling discipline and teaching the timeless wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita. To bring that ethos into a formal school building in North Tripura is a gift to every tribal and non-tribal families here. And I deeply appreciate your commitment to the children of this region. The future engineers, doctors, farmers, artists and leaders of Tripura are looking here. This new building is launched for educational revolution in this area. But remember, a building without values is just a shed. What will make this a true temple of learning is a character. I urge all the students to learn three things from the rich culture of Tripura and the spiritual wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita. First, discipline, which the scriptures call tapasya, because success always requires sacrifice and a commitment to your timetable and your studies. Second, compassion or daya. Help your classmates, respect your elders and feed the hungry. A principle the Hare Krishna movement teaches to so beautifully through its Anandam program. Third, excellence or Sreshtata. Remember that you are Mahan Bharat, you carry the weight of India's future and you must never settle for mediocrity.